Hello and welcome to Tasty Treats right here. Today we embark on a gastronomic journey that will awaken your taste buds and redefine your perception of non-vegetarian cooking and cuisines. On the menu today is chicken liver fry, or how many Indians also call Kaleji fry. So let's get started and check out how with a very few ingredients you could create magic in the kitchen. For the viewers who are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, the like button. Let me know you're watching the video. I really appreciate all your likes, your messages coming in and subscriptions. These are some of the main things that provide motivation to me to keep the channel up and running. On to 300 grams chicken liver, pour in 1 tablespoon of curd, half a teaspoon each of ginger garlic paste, chicken masala, red chili powder, salt and turmeric powder, and mix well. Onto a pan with 1 teaspoon of oil, fry of 1 chopped onion, 2 teaspoons chopped garlic along with the chopped green chili. Now add 2 teaspoons coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder and roast for 10 seconds. Now add half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon each of chicken masala and ginger garlic paste. Roast for a minute on low heat. Time now to add the marinated liver and mix well with the spices for a minute. Add a teaspoon of salt and quarter cup of water. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Open up and finish off with some coriander leaves and cook till the water evaporates. And your tasty treat is ready! Enjoy together with friends and family with some cumin rice or rotis on the side, or even with a bottle of chilled beer and a nice little movie to watch. And before you catch that movie, don't forget to subscribe to Tasty Treats right here and click on the like button if you enjoy the video.